Yo, starting off the day with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 5 miles. Also, if you haven't noticed yet, it is pouring.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Total for that one was $9, and got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 4.5 miles.
Hi there, it's McDonald's using the God's app today.
Alright, he did that for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that one was $10. Pretty good, pretty good. Took a little while, but finally got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Thank you too. Total for that order was $6. Got this one as soon as I stopped recording. This is a Carl's Jr. going 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $9 and change, and got the next one right away. This is a Starbucks going just under 4 miles. Total for that one was $6. Next order up is a Burger King, $8 going 5 miles. Next order just came in. This is a Wendy's going 5.5 miles.
Hello, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get started for you?
You too. Total for that one was just under $10. Most of that was just waiting at Wendy's. Next up is a Starbucks going 4 miles. Total for that one was $8. Next order up is a Peachtree restaurant. This is going 6.5 miles. Hello. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Total for that was just under $8. This is Peachtree restaurant, $14 going 6.5 miles. Hello.
Camera, is that for YouTube videos or is that just for security? Welcome to the channel. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe.
Well, you heard the man. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is going about 5 miles.
DoorDash.
Total for that order was $11. And next one is a Krispy Kreme going 7 miles. Don't mind if I do.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I deserve this donut for getting soaked every time I got out of my car today. Oh yeah. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Taco Bell, $12 going 5 miles. Oh, I guess that donut was the tip. No tip on that one from the customer. Total for that was $5 and change.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day.
You too. Got this one right away. It is a Starbucks, $9, going 5.5 miles.
Hello, Finn.
Hello.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Yep. You have a good day.
Me too.
Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. Today was a pretty good day. Current time is 10:07. Total ended up with, I actually don't know. I'm waiting on a bunch of tips. I'm positive it's over 100 at least. So I'll throw up the total whenever they come in. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.